Welcome back to the Smokering Society with a little segment we call Sides from the Firebox.
Huh? That's what we call it.
Alright, so today we're making a smoked queso.
Awesome. Can't wait. What are we using?
We are going to use chorizo.
What? Cheese.
Pepper jack.
Oh my god. Garlic.
More chorizo.
I'm not throwing this. What is this?
That's
Diced
Rotel
tomatoes.
and an amber beer.
Oh, and more.
And we'll get into that.
Oh, you're putting beer in there?
Heck yeah, we always use beer. That's what's going to give it its creaminess. You'll see.
Creaminess, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Love me some creaminess.
Yeah, I've heard that about you. Alright, this is about the simplest you can get with queso. It's pretty much chopped brown and throw in a pan.
I mean...
What the... Alright, this is about as easy as it gets. But because we're the Smokering Society, we're not going to just do the regular Velveeta and freaking shredded cheese.
Yep.
We're doing the Velveeta Queso Blanco. We're going to cube that,
Yep.
throw it in a pan.
We got some pepper jack cheese. We're going to shred that up.
Shred
that up. Thank you.
We're going to take chorizo instead of ground beef. Anybody can use ground beef, but we want to make it Smokering Society here.
And Rotel original diced tomatoes. And green chili.
We're going to add a little bit of minced garlic,
Yeah.
and then season it with whatever your favorite seasoning is.
Yeah, in our
We
case.
are using what kind here?
Well, you tell me.
You tell me, because you don't like the way I speak.
Chili verde.
Yeah, that one. And then, this is what really makes it creamy. And I learned this when I was in a brewery in Colorado. You add some amber beer to it.
Yeah.
It just makes it really creamy.
How creamy?
So creamy that...
Tell me about your creaminess.
Stop it! I swear it was like that all day long. A couple of 7th graders. If they saw what was going on right now, they'd be giggling and pointing, I'm sure. First things first, chop up that log and get the chorizo going while you do the prep work. It doesn't take long, but it's going to take longer than the other stuff. You want to make sure you cook it all the way through. It's going to keep cooking on the smoker, but not enough to take any chances with undercooked sausage. The key to any good queso dip is, of course, the cheese. 2 kinds. Yeah, Velveeta doesn't really count as cheese, but nothing melts better than the OG processed cheese food. It's practically made for this purpose. Cube the cheese so that it melts faster and evenly. Don't toss the whole brick in the pan, it's going to take forever to melt. Time to shred the pepper jack. When a recipe calls for shredded cheese, don't buy prepackaged shredded cheese. They put some nasty stuff on there that messes with the melt. Even this block is kind of sketchy. The best thing to do is go to the deli and have them whack off a hunk of whatever you need and shred it yourself. You'll get better results every time. We went with the white onions this time. They got more bite, stronger flavor, and those are 2 things that you want in a cheese dip. I never would have thought to take the tiny middle part out of the onion. Even took off one more layer on the outside than I would have. Show off. Watch this. He isn't strong enough to push the thing down. He's got to stand up. Ha! The Euro chopper makes a noise though. Watch this. He gone. Plop, plop. Slowly build the queso by tossing it all in the pan as you go. This guy even brought his own garlic. Unreal. If you like what you're seeing, maybe bless us with a like, subscribe, maybe share. Thank you. Remember that chorizo we started way back when? Here it is, ready to go, just like I promised. And from here we take it out to the smoker. This was really a fun day. We had so many different things cooking. Even though it was in the 30s, the smoker was burning all day. See if you can guess everything that's on there. I'll even slow it down for you a little bit. Here we go with the final touch. Although I'm surprised that he didn't use the whole can. We all know what happened to the rest of it. Now the cheese should be melted, so you want to give it a good stir. Mix that beer in, get all those ingredients turned around in there and mixed up real nice. Watch this thing change color from white to a deep red. Gorgeous. You might be expecting a taste test here, but we were having so much fun cooking and yapping that we didn't shoot one. An ending or a reveal. Just know that it was creamy, cheesy, and fantastic. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon.